What's up YouTube? This is the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad. Welcome back aboard Thirsty Whale. Got 1 month left. And today we're going to do a pump out. I'm going to try to give you a little bit of a different view of the pump out because I know we've had several pump out videos. But my plan is to put the camera up on the bow of the boat looking backwards. And hopefully some good footage of Thirsty Whale coming out of the slip and coming back in after we get a pump out. I also brought my little Glasspar up this weekend, so we're going to put that in the water here today and give it a test run for the 3rd time. So there'll be some footage of that in this video. So let's get the camera set up and head over to the fuel dock for a pump out.
Do you need it locked out?
I don't think it's not windy, so just walk alongside. If it starts to rub, give it a push.
Then I'll wait with the grab lines when you guys get back.
Did you?
Want me to walk over there?
First? Yeah. Okay.
Unless nobody's up here.
Mandy was walking over.
Okay.
Just in case. She's walking back, so he must be on his way.
Jason, I'll come over here if that's
idling right now? Are you idling? Oh shit. Vader'd be shaking his fist at you right now. Huh? Vader'd be shaking his fist at you right now. We're going so fast. Yeah, I think right here. We'll bounce off Scott's boat for a while. Easier. You don't have to fear for your life. Might want this one completed. I'll stand here.
I just wing it. Usually he's just like, just do it, just do it. I'm like, okay, it's in a ball.
I felt like I wasn't even needed here.
Pump out's done. All went well. I'm all hooked back up to shore power and water, and it is only 9:20 a.m. So I think we got a good day in front of us. Let's see what happens. All right, we're gonna go put the Glasspar in the water, but I got a little treat for all you Crisscross fans out there. There is a Constellation 501 that's here, and it's for sale. From what I understand, they just finished the loop. I don't know what it's listed for, but Skipper Buds has it listed. I'll find the information and put it on the screen here if I can, if it's available. But it's a 85, 86, 87, something like that, Constellation. It's sitting over here at one of the big docks. There it is. It's called Serendipity. Go around the front side here. Beautiful boat. Some of our dock neighbors, see there's their flag. I guess they crossed their wake a few weeks ago on the Great Loop. And some of our dock neighbors were on board this boat to take a look at it. They say it's absolutely beautiful on the inside. It's all original, but original woodwork in fantastic condition. This is a big boat. I wish I could say I knew how much it was or the details for anybody that might be interested in this, but as I said, I'll try to put that on the screen. Here for sale, skipper buds. All right, let's go put the Glasspar in the water. I'm not going to film the launch because there's already a launch video, but put it in the water, go do a test run on it today. Hopefully have some fun. Looks like a nice day. Looking forward to it. Well, here's a little Glasspar all covered up for the trip up here. Get it uncovered and put it in the water. Okay, got the little Glasspar in the water right across from Thirsty Whale. So we'll take this out for a boat ride here in just a little bit. Make sure it's running right. I was able to put this right across from me. There's never been a boat in this slip all season long, and Jason said go for it. So I get to keep it for the weekend. All right, well, we're out on the little boat. Seems to be running okay. I'm not going to go very far, but I'm going to go over and visit with Kevin and Bunny for a little bit. I'm out in the just outside of our marina here, just puttering along. Beautiful day. It's nice to have a little boat to go marina to marina. All right, successful speed run. Just went out, did a little loop around the base ship building area, and back inside the no wake zone now. So I'm gonna go visit Kevin and Bunny and have myself a drink because this was a success. Good day. Behind me, the clouds are coming in. We do expect a little bit of weather tonight, so I just took the Glasspar out of the water and had a great weekend. Went for a little ride on Kevin and Michelle's Tiara 4300 Sovern. That was a great ride, but Saturday night here, time to relax and head home tomorrow. So thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater Channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments. And if you want to be notified when I'm posting videos like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Happy boating, everybody.